In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make fields mandatory in Monday.com the simple and correct way. If you're collecting information from your team, clients, or leads, and you're tired of getting incomplete submissions, this is exactly what you need. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to require specific fields so no one can submit a form without filling them in properly. Let's jump right in. The fastest and easiest way to make fields mandatory in Monday.com is by using a Monday form. Forms are perfect when you're gathering structured information and want to make sure important details are never skipped. First, go to the board where you want the data to be collected. This should be the board that stores the items created from your form submissions. Once you're inside the correct board, look at the top where your views are listed. Next, click on the Add View button. You'll see multiple view options appear. From the list, choose Form. This will create a form connected directly to your board. Once the form view opens, you'll see a preview of what your form looks like. Now we need to adjust the settings so certain fields become mandatory. Go to the Form Settings area. Depending on your layout, you can either click the settings icon or directly click on any field inside the form editor to open its configuration options. Now click on the specific field that you want to make required. When the Field Settings panel opens, look for the toggle labeled Required. Simply turn that toggle on. That's it. That field is now mandatory. What this means is that anyone filling out the form will not be able to submit it unless they complete that field. If they try to submit without filling it in, Monday.com will automatically prompt them to complete the required information. You can repeat this exact process for as many fields as you'd like. Just click each field one by one and toggle the required option on. This is especially useful for critical information like email addresses, phone numbers, project names, deadlines, or budget details. One important thing to understand is that this required setting works specifically within forms. If users are manually editing items directly inside the board view, Monday.com does not currently offer a built-in feature to force mandatory fields at the board level, so if enforcing required data is essential, using a form view is the most reliable method. After you've marked all the necessary fields as required, make sure to test your form. Click the preview option and try submitting it without filling in one of the required fields. You'll see that submission is blocked until the missing information is added. This quick test ensures everything is working exactly as expected. Once you're happy with the setup, you can share the form link with your team, embed it on your website, or send it directly to clients. From that point forward, every submission will include the required information, keeping your board clean, consistent, and organized. And that's how you make fields mandatory in Monday.com using forms. Quick, simple, and effective. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.